Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a friendly reminder that Microsoft Edge had its bug fixing for security updates. And that also means that if you are using a Chromium-based browser like Brave, Opera, Vivaldi, and so on, you should take a look, make sure that you're up to date so that it fixes the security flaws, which are critical this week. So that means they're extremely easy to exploit and probably 0 days exploited in the wild. So in Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, then go to Help and Feedback about Microsoft Edge. And here you'll be updated to version 134.0.3124.83. Why not make that bigger for it's easier to see on the screen? And this, of course, fixes the security flaws that were, once again, extremely important to fix this week as they were critical security flaws. Of course, check your browsers. Make sure everything is all right and up to date to stay safe. This is your first line of defense. Even if you don't use Edge, I suggest that you go and check out for the update just to make sure that you stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.